Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD High Country. Pretty much the top of the line Silverado HD. I think you can get a 3500 High Country, but this is pretty much it. Total price is $77,115. Black over jet black. This one has the 6.6 turbo diesel High Country Deluxe, power sunroof, snowplow prep, the Z71 off-road package, and the LED roof marker lamps. Other than that, this is how they come. Total options is $13,820. There is your gooseneck prep. Nice big leg warmer for cold days. And of course you have the step side. You can pick yourself right on up and reach to the inside of the bed. High Country comes with nice brown accents throughout. And then these mirrors are power extendable. So if you're towing a camper with your gooseneck, you can press a button and they extend. You can also fold them in. This being the High Country, it does come with leather. Nice tool compartment. Just really nice leather, actually. I think they might have changed the leather for 2021 because I don't remember having this many stitches and stuff like that. It definitely seems a little bit higher quality. Then again, last time I drove one of these was when I was first hired last year. So it's been a while since I've been in a High Country HD. But no, it looks absolutely phenomenal. Virtual rear view mirror. It's part of the High Country Deluxe. You can see the two cameras up top by the third brake light. Right up in there. Sliding rear window as well. It's all controlled in the cab. Oh yeah. This is a functional intake. I believe you can open that to drain it out if there ever gets water or anything like that. But no, it's really cool. Because here is your air box. And I think that's your big turb ski right there. I do like the body color front bumper. This looks like it's your plug-in for your block warmer. Nice sunroof. There we go. Now let's take it on my new test route and see how it does. First big test is this hill. I do not like it, especially in big trucks like this. But it's part of the new test drive route, so The High Country is the luxury version. It's the Denali of the Silverado range. Of course, the Denali sits above this. But for those who want a Silverado, like the looks a bit more, but want the luxury of a Denali, that's where the High Country comes in. Oh man. That's what I love about these trucks. They're just so torquey. All right. It's just such an awesome truck. I love these things. You know, you don't need a Denali when you have one of these. Especially in the Duramax trim. I mean, man. I just love these trucks so much. Here we go. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.